Hello everyone, this is Dr. Satyajit Srivastava from School of Computing Science and Engineering, Galgotia University. Would like to present a topic that is called Green Computing as Solutions for Energy Efficient and Environmentally Sound Practices. In the previous two videos, we shared about what is called green banking and what is called green computing. Now, in this videos, we aware energy efficiency and matrices, aware environmentally sound practices, and possible solutions to save environments and health. Energy efficiency practices includes the dimension of environmental sustainability, the economics of energy efficiency, and the total cost of ownership, which includes the cost of disposal and recycling. It is the study and practice of using computing resources efficiently. Virtualization is a common practice at the server level to make greater use of current hardware via softwares. The second, we are going for the CO2 emissions. According to IDC research quoted by VMware on their green computing sites, the lack of server consolidation using virtualization cost American business more than $140 billion with more than 20 million servers, producing more than 30 million tons of CO2 per year. VMware and IDC claim these figures represents more CO2 emission than the country of Thailand and more than half of all the countries in South America. These are the some following energy impact matrices for calculating data transfer throughout the matrices. Express the energy efficiency of input-output operation, considering the rate of transfer of the amount of data involved in the input-output transactions measured as data transfer equal to MB moved per second by watt. CPU uses this GPI relates to the CPU utilization and be measured as CPU uses is equal to use CPU by allocated CPU. Memory uses, this is one of the also matrices. This GPI refers to the uses of the main memory by a server or an application. It is computed as memory uses equal to use memory by allocated memory. Again, we calculate the storage uses. Storage uses equal to use disk space by allocated disk space. Now, let's understand what are the possible solutions to save environments and health. First of all, we would like to use recycle component. First, use more energy efficient equipment. Second, the average home has roughly TV, 2 VCRs, DVD players and 3 telephones. In these items were replaced with Energy Star models. It should save over 25 million of products of the greenhouse gas emissions, the equipment to taking over the million cars of the roads. Possible solutions to this is the third one is that the use of more efficient data centers. In a room-oriented architecture, the computer room air conditioning units are associated with the entire room and operate together to address the heat issue in the data center. This depends heavily on the constraints of the room shape and changes in equipment organizations can after the cooling the performance. The value input is the use of green softwares. According to Ryan Martins in his article titled The Greening of the Software Industry, historically the industry creates major new version of software to try and drive license revenue that force customer to upgrade. As a result, our industry become a direct accomplishment to create 2 million tons of e-waste, discarded computers and monitors yearly in the United States, a waste system that transfer hundreds of toxic chemicals into our environment. Thank you. Thanks a lot.